Hello my friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I want to share about my dream car, Ferrari. You see, my dream car looks so gorgeous. This is the yellow color, and I just want to share the body and the tire. This is really good and gorgeous. Alright, I really falling in love to this car, but I think this is only my dream because this is so high class. So I just take picture to enjoy with this dream car. Alright, so I hope one day people say don't stop from dreaming, so I still dream for this Ferrari, the very expensive, the most expensive car, but very exclusive and really nice. Alright, nah ini dia. Oh, ini Ferrari mobil yang benar-benar saya mimpikan. Wow, keren sekali. Ini Ferrari warna kuning. Just now is the yellow car, and now is red color. So red color also looks so gorgeous. Alright, so here parking 3 cars, 3 Ferrari. One is the yellow, and the second one is the red, and last one is green. The type is similar, and the most important, I'm really falling in love to this car. Alright, so guys, if you want to buy a Ferrari, maybe these cars you can use as your reference to buy your own. And we're just dreaming at the moment by hoping that one day our dream will come true. We can drive this Ferrari. To me, I don't mind whatever color. Be it red, I love it so much. Yellow as well, and green also, I like it. So as long as the car is very nice, the car is very exclusive, this one, right? So now this is the green color of Ferrari. I'm speechless seeing this car. You may call me kampungan. I don't care because I like this car. Alright, so this car, it was shown at the Edu Eco Palmville last time when they have exhibition. Okay, so enjoy video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell to know more information from my channel. Thank you guys. Enjoy your life, enjoy your time, and stay cool and stay safe. Bye for now.